Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Gorgias at 2026. So actually guys, at first we'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Gorgias account as well. If not, you will need just to go with sign up for free option that's located on the top right corner of the page. So just click it and then enter the email here and the URL of your website, as you can see, or you can just go with your Google account. So you will need to click that option and then just choose the Google account that you want to log in or sign up with. And then you will need to enter another email or the same email and the URL of your website, and then just hit create my account. Okay, so after creating an account on Gorgias, you will need to get back to Shopify store and then click on the settings that's located on the left hand menu. It's the last option in the bottom of it. So just click it and then scroll down and click on apps, just like so. So right now I want you to go with Shopify App Store, and that way we are going to install the Gorgias app on our Shopify store. So to do that, you will need to click on the search bar or search apps, guides and more, and type right there Gorgias. Okay, hit enter on your keyboard and there you go. So this is the app. Click it and click on install in the black color, and you will be forwarded into a verification or a confirmation page. That's it. So you'll need just to hit install again, and there you go. So it's added right now to your Shopify. So all you need to do right now is to make sure that you already signed in with your accounts on Gorgias. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.